Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sebastian local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a highly reputable interstate moving company. We register with FMCSA and work hard to ensure that our customers are satisfied. Our local representative will come to your home to assess the size of your move and provide you with a clear, detailed estimate of the cost, including any extra services you may want, like packing or storage. We will explain how moving industry insurance works and help you make the right choice to have peace of mind during the move. If you are getting ready to move locally in the Sebastian area, call 3 Movers for an estimate. Our representative will gladly review the project scope and let you know how much time it will take his team to complete the job. Local moves are quoted based on the length of time it will take the team to complete. There are some other charges, and the representative will explain those to you when they give you a clear written estimate. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sebastian moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.